Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this smartphone. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down. Then tap on Themes section. Now you need to select fonts over here at the bottom next to ringtones and profile, and tap on the best one for you. In my case, Spider-Man Official. Then select free over here next to it, wait couple of seconds and tap on Apply. Now click on Home button, and as you can see after that, style of my font has changed. If you wish to, you can always go back to your default one by going into exactly the same settings, but this time selecting my fonts over here, choosing Roboto one and tapping on Apply as well. Then you need to choose Reboot in this pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!